Good day and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content on how to make money online, because that is what we will be talking about on this channel. Let's get started. The app we will be talking about today is an app that's available anywhere and anytime. Today we will be talking about Gurushots, where you can take your photography and make it fun and motivating by earning from your photos. Whether you're still new or a professional photographer, anyone can join. So you get 9 levels in the app. You will start as a newbie, and as you get votes on your photo and as you reach achievements in challenges, you can work yourself up to the highest level, which is Guru. Disclaimer, this is not a paid review. This is typically just my own thoughts and opinion about Gurushots. Okay, so let's start with step 1. Step 1 will be to go to Google Play and download the app Gurushots and do a simple sign up where you just insert your email and a password, and then you have an account. So it's simple and easy and fast. Step 2 will be to upload a profile picture and then also some photos of your work. Step 3 will be to click on challenges on the home page of the app, and then you must click under open challenges to view the current open challenges that you can enter. So then when you click on the challenges, you can view the categories. There will be category names and category photos, example photos, to tell you what they're looking for in that current category or challenge you are going to click on. Then when you click on join, you can view the details of the specific challenge you clicked on, like the award you can win if you are in the, I think, top 3 of the challenge, and then also the time frame that it will take to that you have to complete the specific challenge to upload your 4 photos. You usually get 4 photos that you can upload, and you can swap them out one by one every day until the competition is over to see which photos perform better. And then you can also view the rules of that specific challenge. There's also exhibition challenges. Join them to get your work exhibited in upscale galleries of international art. Okay, so let's talk about what you can actually earn on Gurushots. Usually I've seen they ranges between $100 to $300 per challenge. These rewards can usually be cash rewards or photography gear or editing software or gift cards. Payments are done through PayPal, so if you don't have a PayPal account, just go into Google and search for PayPal and create your account there, because that is how we can get paid with dollars from America. And you can link your South African bank, FNB. Usually they work with FNB, but you can link either your Standard Bank or your Capitec, any account, to your PayPal. And then you must also just watch the exchange rate. Let's say our exchange rate is a little bit lower, that would be a great time to exchange your dollars to rand, as you can get an extra rand or 2 per dollar. So the more challenges you accept or join, the faster you'll receive meaningful recognition and the quicker you'll gain status. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content on how to make money online, and hit that notification button if you would like to be notified when my next video will be coming out. I'm gonna greet you tot ziens, which means goodbye in South Africa, in my home language, Afrikaans.